Basically what I want to do is start in the nape of my neck, and what I want to use is a 2-clip clip-on extensions that I made. And this is using the hot glue, which I have a video on. And I'm going to start from the back and then work my way to the front. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and take my wide tooth comb. And what you want to do is just comb your hair towards the front of your head. And basically this hair hasn't, I flat ironed this hair last week, so yeah. And I sleep on it, so it's not like extra silky flattened iron hair. So basically you just want to get enough hair down, and I'm going to turn just so you guys can see, and it's not a lot of hair. Just like that. And I'm going to take my 2-piece weft, open it up. Sorry if you guys can't see my face, sorry. And you want to just go towards the back, and you want to put the clip down into your hair and snap it shut, making sure that it's firm, has a grip, and everything. So just like that. So I'm going to go to another section, and you want to go about an inch. You can do a ½ an inch, but I prefer going an inch above the first clip. So yeah, I'm going to go here and section it off. And my hair is pretty fine, so if I do like huge sections above each weft that I put on, then it doesn't look like, oh my god, a huge difference. It actually looks pretty good because it covers my hair pretty well. So I'm going to use a 3-clip weft clip-on extension, and go ahead and apply this. Now what you want to do with one that has more than 2 clips is apply the middle one first and then work your way out. Okay, so here we go. I'm just going to grab it from the middle. Get as close as you can to that hairline, or that part you did. Very close to my crown area. It's so weird to see my hair straightened. Ugh. And I only say that because I don't straighten it too much because I try not to. Okay, so yeah. This one's just going around the part just like then. Got a little mohawk going on, but you want to go ahead and just now decide where you're going to part your hair. Looking all crazy. I like my hair going to the side a little bit and combing over that one that we just put in. There we go. So now it looks like that. So I'm going to put some in the front. Now that's where these 1-piece wefts, the 1-piece clip wefts come in, because you can place them staggered however you like, and it's easy to keep them away from your hairline when you're doing a ponytail or anything like that. So, okay, so from that one, and then go another ½ an inch to an inch, your choice, your preference, however you like it. This is with the extensions in. So yeah, this is how it looks. Very pretty, very pretty. I love it. It's so easy to do, and I love it, love it, love it. So I hope this helped you guys out on how to do your own clip-in extensions, on how much to cut it and stuff like that. Thanks for watching. Bye, ladies. Watch my latest videos on DIY clip-in.